If you're looking for your Apple ID email address, which is now called the Apple account email address, there's 3 different ways to find it. First, let's go into the settings. Go back to the very first main settings page. At the very top, it should be signed into your account. If you tap on it, it shows your Apple account email address right there. If you don't see that, for whatever reason, let's head into the App Store. Make sure you're at the home page. So tap on Today on the bottom left, and it shows a little ID circle, profile circle for you up here. If you tap into that, it should show your Apple account email address right there. If it's also not there, the last place you can try is if you go to the Contacts app or go to the phone app and tap on Contacts. You'll see at the very top, there should be one called My Card. Tap on it to open it, and your Apple account email should be listed on this My Card page. If you can't find it in any of those places, you're going to have to try to contact Apple support, or if you have an Apple store nearby, maybe they can help you find it as well. Or if it's not a big deal, just create a new one, because it doesn't take very long, and then you don't have to worry about finding your old one. Just create a new one with a new email address. And if you want to block all the ads on your phone, check out this video right here. You'll be ad-free in no time, and it's also free, as in $0. So check that out. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and then I'll see you on this one.